Greetings and welcome to another edition of Quarantine Cooking with Brett. I'm Brett, your host today. I would like to say thanks for joining me. As you know, during this lovely quarantine, I've decided to kill time by honing in on some of my favorite things to do, cook and eat. Who knew? I decided to invest in the smoker. So tonight we're going to do our smoked whole chicken. And I'm going to show you what I've learned, how to correctly light a charcoal grill or an offset smoker, and how to maintain the temperature of the smoker. I hope you enjoy, and away we go. Okay, we're going to need our dry ingredients first. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/2 tablespoon of cumin. And we're going to mix all that together in our bowl. Next, we're going to need a 4 to 5 pound chicken. What we do is we take the chicken and cut it down the center of its breastplate. Now we're going to spread it apart and remove any excess fat, like at the buttocks. Now flip that chicken over, and now we're going to remove the skin from the neck. Put your chicken into a container, breast side down, and let's start adding our seasoning. Flip it on over again, and let's start adding the seasoning to the skin side of the chicken. I did some research online and found out that this is the easiest way to smoke a whole chicken. This way it cooks evenly throughout and does it a little bit quicker than if I left the chicken whole. Once this is done, we're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Alright, so let's start talking about lighting our charcoal. You're going to take a chimney and you're going to flip it over and stuff it with old newspaper on the bottom side. Flip that bad boy back over and put it inside your smoker. Now you're going to fill it with charcoal. Now we're going to light the newspaper on fire, and this will allow the heat to resonate up into the charcoal to get it going. Now this puppy is going to smoke, and you're going to let this burn until you start seeing the fire like you see here coming out of the top of the chimney. Now this is going to take roughly about 10 minutes before it gets fully engulfed in flames. Now here you got to be careful. You're going to grab the chimney and then stand off to the side and dump all the charcoal into your grill or your smoker. Now we're going to get your chicken out of the refrigerator and bring it on out to the grill. You're going to place the chicken directly onto the grill. Now once the temperature reaches about 250, we're going to add our apple wood to the offset smoker. Now I'm using chips here, but chunks or whole wood would be a lot better for this. You can control the temperature of your smoker by adjusting the chimney flap and the air valve on the side of the offset smoker. Smoke your chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. It'll take roughly 4 to 5 hours. Once complete, you'll have a beautiful chicken that looks just like this. carve your chicken and enjoy. Just know that the skin is delicious. That chicken is so yummy, you are going to love it. The problem is, there's a lot of it. So what do you do when you have leftover chicken? Make chicken salad. Start off by chopping leftover chicken. Now you're going to need to chop up half of a Vidalia onion. Next, chop up 5 to 6 celery stalks. Add the celery to a bowl with your onions, the leftover chopped up chicken, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2/3 cup of mayonnaise, and the juice of 1 lemon. Now here's a trick I learned. Take a stick and poke it in the end of your lemon and move it around till you create a hole that you can squeeze the lemon juice out of. Isn't that cool? Add a little salt and pepper to taste, a half a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and then mix all together. You're gonna love that chicken salad. It's sweet and has that little barbecue taste. It's delicious. Well, I hope you enjoyed everything. Let me know what you think. Please share your comments. Thanks, guys. Peace.